Hello, I'm Bryce, and welcome to a video on how to connect your Focusrite to an Xbox/PlayStation console. This may not work on Nintendo, like Nintendo Switch, because I don't have one. But this should work. This 100% works on Xbox. This should work on PlayStation. I don't have a PlayStation, but one of the things that we'll use in this video will work on PlayStation. Just to give you guys a heads up, and this also is mainly made for Scribble, who was wanting to connect their Focusrite 2i2 to their console, and I have the Solo, which is very similar to the 2i2. It's just smaller. So you're going to need a few cables. Also, I was able to get music to play through this, so you can do that also. Just a heads up. So to get this set up to your console, you can go with two outs. So you can go with the expensive out, which is very similar to my how to connect a Mixer to your Xbox video. But the expensive out is using the Turtle Beach interface, which is this will work 100% on PlayStation and Xbox if you go with this method. The cheaper method is using this little cable. Now this may not work on PlayStation because I don't have a PlayStation to test it. This is what you guys know. Okay, so connect both of them. The first thing you're going to need is this cable, which is a 3.5 millimeter cable to a RCA cable, or dual RCA cable, which is the red and the white, and this will be linked in the description below so you guys can find it. And you just go to the live output and you just connect it, and for some reason these ones are really hard to connect. Oh, at least the red one was. Okay. Also, you're going to need, to connect your USB with power to your PC or whatever you used to connect it with. And of course, you connect your microphone here, and we'll get to how to connect your music in a moment. Now, this cable, so it goes from here to here. If you go with the cheaper route, all you need to do is get this little cable and plug it into the mic, and then you can plug your headphones into here, and then this will plug into your controller. Well, this end will plug into your controller, and then headphones into here, and that's all you had to do. If you guys are wondering about the last video, if you use this, if you do like this and then plug it in, your controller does not create enough power. I found this out because someone was having a problem where people couldn't hear. This does not create enough power from your controller to make a ground loop. So there's no audio will go through this, which is weird. I don't know why it would do that. But if you guys were going with the expensive method, which is the Turtle Beach interface, you will need this because this is powered separately than the Focusrite. So there will be a ground loop, so you will need to get this, and this will be linked in the description below for you guys, but it's only like $8. So you just plug in like that, and then of course plug it into the microphone, and then the headphones and controller, and then that's pretty much it on setting it up to your Xbox or your PlayStation. It's just the one cable, and then the Turtle Beach interface if you're using that, and this little guy, or just the one single spindle cable that I showed you. Now, if you want to get music into this, and into the party chat, the game chat, you need to get this cable, which is a 3.5 millimeter to a 1/4 inch cable, and then this will just plug into the guitar one, or I think on the 2i2 will just plug into the second microphone input, because I think it has like the dual, like it can either be a 1/4 inch or a RCA cable, not RCA cable, XR cable. I don't know why I say that. Anyways, and then this end will just plug into your tablet or a phone to play music, and it does work. I tested it. I was able to get music in it. You will need to adjust these settings, you know, to get the music for it's not too loud, too quiet. It does not sound as good as a mixer trying to get music through this, but it does play like pretty good. Like I actually was testing and listening to it because I had it set up, and I actually could hear the music pretty well, and it wasn't a whole lot like quality loss at all. But if you guys have Xbox and a PC with Windows 10 and you want to connect any microphone or any interface or anything like that, this is only for Xbox people, because I don't think PlayStation might not have it. You can actually connect your mixer or your Focusrite, this is really hard to unplug, to your computer, and then in the Windows 10 Xbox app you can go into your microphone settings and change your microphone to whatever you have plugged into your computer, and then whoever is in the Xbox party chat will hear that mic input, that microphone. So it's actually really simple, so you won't even need to buy a lot of the stuff if you guys are doing that on Xbox, which is pretty interesting. But if you guys want to get into game chat and all that, then you need to get the cables and all that. But that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys like it. If you like it, hit the like button. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and I'll try to help you out. And if you have any suggestions for a future video or something you want to see, let me know. Also, I'm going to do a video soon, don't know when, on the key handle that I got for connecting your mouse and keyboard to your console, and I was going to do like a video on that, talking about it and showing how I got it set up. Also, for future tech videos and unboxings and reviews and setups, if there's certain things I buy, maybe I will put it on, I think, Instagram and show you guys when I got it, and if you guys want to see a video on it, because there's a few things I'm thinking of buying for my setup, like some lights and like a monitor mount and stuff like that. If you guys, because I'm not sure if I'm going to do a video on it, so I might just put it on Instagram, and if you guys want to see a video, then I will make a video on it. So let me know if you guys like the idea. If not, then that's fine. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked it, like it, share it, all that good stuff. And that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching. I'm repeating myself a lot, but anyways, we're going to end this here. So thank you, and until next video, bye. I completely messed up my outro, but that's fine.